I'm Lydia Hooper. I've been an information designer for the past decade, and I'm currently Venngage's information design expert. Over the years, I've seen how infographics can make complex information so much more engaging and so much easier to understand. And in these really complicated times, they're no longer nice to haves, they are need to haves. We all know 2020 was a game changer in so many different ways, and one of the things that became clear to me is that more and more people are wanting to create informational visuals, and that there's lots of barriers for people to learn how to do this well. This is why I've put together the Authoritative Guide to Designing Infographics, so anyone, not just professional designers and analysts, can learn everything they might need to know. Now, I know some of the most common challenges that people who create infographics face are not knowing where to start, including what software to use, getting confused about what content or data to visualize, and feeling uncertain about how to create visuals that will be most effective and memorable. But honestly, where people really get stuck is not having the time, money, or expertise to learn how to overcome these challenges. Some answers to these questions are simply hard to search for online. Many people, therefore, end up hiring someone else, or they resort to settling for lackluster visuals that may actually hurt more than they help. Well, this book is a robust resource that contains everything you might need to know to transition from being a beginner to someone with the knowledge and confidence to create infographics that stand out as above the cut. It also contains lots of infographics, so it can be a source of inspiration as well. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get your copy right now.